Alright, I came back here to check on our beautiful orange tree, and look what we found. Look at this guy. Hey guy, what are you doing? Anybody that's in tune with nature? Yep. So we started off as affordable landscaping, but the way that the economy is and the way that this world is, we had to do our own farming and gardening. So now it's affordable landscaping, farm, and gardening. Y'all kids want to come see some interesting stuff? Come holler at me. This is off the orange tree. I'm kind of mad that they actually doing this inside of the tree, but hey, this is nature. Our neighbors have chickens in the backyard. Can y'all hear the chickens? Look, he got this bee. I don't know how he killed the bee, but he definitely got him, and he's roaming around the tree. You notice that he keep trying to get camouflage? Check him out. Bro,